You don't wake up one day and decide to abandon yourself. It happens slowly, through tiny moments you barely notice. Like when you laugh after someone interrupts you, not because it's funny, but because calling it out feels rude. Or when you say "I'm fine" after a loved one cancels on you, again, because expressing your disappointment feels needy. Or when you stay silent while someone takes credit for your work, because speaking up feels like making it about you. These aren't just nice choices. They're micro-surrenders. And over time, they teach your nervous system. My needs cause problems. My truth creates distance. My boundaries are a burden. That's not kindness. That's trauma-shaped compliance, dressed up as virtue. And here's what most people miss. Self-betrayal doesn't feel dramatic. It feels like relief. Because in the moment, avoiding conflict feels safer than risking disapproval. But the cost shows up later. The knot in your stomach after saying yes. The resentment that builds when you're helpful but unappreciated. The quiet shame of realizing you don't even know what you want anymore. You're not too nice. You've been conditioned to believe your safety depends on your usefulness. Maybe in childhood, love felt conditional. Maybe conflict meant abandonment. Maybe peace only came when you made yourself small. So now your body defaults to yes, not because you want to give, but because your nervous system still believes. If I disappoint them, I'll be alone. But here's the truth, you can be kind without disappearing. Real kindness doesn't require you to override your gut. It doesn't ask you to ignore your fatigue, your values, or your limits. True kindness includes your future self, the one who has to live with the consequences of today's yes. So how do you shift from self-betrayal to integrated kindness? Start not with saying no, but with noticing the flinch. Before you answer a request, pause and ask, is my yes coming from generosity or from fear? If it's fear of guilt, anger, or losing connection, your honest answer is no, and you don't need to justify it. Boundaries aren't walls. They're a quiet declaration that your inner world matters as much as anyone else's, and the people who matter won't love you less for your honesty. They'll trust you more. This isn't about becoming cold. It's about becoming coherent, where your actions align with your inner truth. So the next time you feel the urge to shrink, to please, to pretend, don't fight it. Just name it. There's my fear, and here's my choice. Then choose yourself. Not perfectly, not loudly, but consistently. Because every time you honor your truth, you teach your nervous system, I am safe. I am worthy. I belong, even when I say no. That's not betrayal. That's reparenting yourself with kindness. If this resonated, I'd be grateful if you liked the video. It helps others find this message. And in the comments, tell me, what's one situation where your kindness cost you your peace? I read every word. Remember, you weren't born to be endlessly accommodating. You were born to be fully, unapologetically yourself, even when it's inconvenient.